Welcome to Autocar, the place where passion meets performance, and every machine tells a story worth hearing. Here, we don't just talk about cars, we live them, breathe them, and feel every pulse of their engines. Today, we are diving deep into a creation that blends elegance, innovation, and raw power into a single breathtaking package, the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. This is not just another Ferrari. The SF90 Stradale represents a monumental leap forward for the brand, a step into the electrified future without losing the soul of Maranello. It is the first Ferrari to feature a plug-in hybrid powertrain, and yet it wears the prancing horse badge with pride, proving that sustainability and extreme performance can coexist in perfect harmony. Let's start with what makes the SF90 Stradale a technological marvel. Under its sculpted hood sits a 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine producing an astonishing 780 horsepower, the most powerful V8 ever fitted to a Ferrari road car. But that's only part of the story. Supporting it are 3 electric motors, 2 mounted on the front axle, and 1 positioned between the engine and the gearbox. Together, this hybrid setup generates a jaw-dropping 1,000 metric horsepower, allowing the SF90 to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.5 seconds and to 200 km/h in only 6.7 seconds, numbers that redefine what a road-legal supercar can do. Yet, Ferrari didn't just build this for speed alone. The SF90's power delivery is as refined as it is brutal, thanks to its cutting-edge e-drive modes. You can drive it silently in electric-only mode for up to 25 kilometers, making it perfect for slipping through city streets without disturbing the peace, though it's hard to go unnoticed when you're behind the wheel of such a striking machine. Speaking of striking, the SF90 Stradale's design is a masterclass in aerodynamic efficiency. Every curve, every vent, every sharp line serves a purpose. The front end features an aggressive, low-slung profile with a sharp splitter and sleek LED headlights integrated into the bodywork. The rear showcases a futuristic interpretation of Ferrari's classic quad taillights, now separated into 2 pairs with a bold light signature. The active rear wing automatically adjusts to provide optimal downforce or reduce drag, depending on the driving situation. This is a car that isn't just designed to be seen, it's engineered to dominate the air it cuts through. Inside, the SF90 is equally futuristic. The cockpit is built around the driver, with a 16-inch curved digital display that places all the essential information right in your line of sight. The steering wheel is loaded with touch-sensitive controls, a controversial but undeniably high-tech approach, eliminating the need for physical buttons wherever possible. It's a blend of motorsport inspiration and luxury, with premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and precise Italian craftsmanship that makes every drive feel like a special occasion. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the SF90 Stradale is its all-wheel drive system, a first for a mid-engined Ferrari. The 2 electric motors at the front wheels not only provide instant torque, but also enable torque vectoring, giving the SF90 extraordinary cornering ability. The result? You can exit corners with unbelievable precision and acceleration, as if the laws of physics are slightly bent in your favor. Ferrari's engineers didn't hold back when it came to innovation. The battery pack is positioned low and centrally to maintain an ideal weight balance, while the hybrid system works seamlessly with the car's 8-speed dual-clutch transmission for lightning-fast gear changes. The transition between electric and combustion power is so smooth that it feels like a single, unified heartbeat, pulsing through the chassis and into your fingertips on the wheel. But what truly sets the SF90 apart is the driving experience. Put it in qualify mode, and the car unleashes its full potential, combining all 1,000 horsepower for maximum attack. In this setting, the SF90 becomes a relentless force, pulling harder and harder with each gear change, accompanied by the deep, resonant roar of that V8, mixed with the futuristic whir of electric motors. It's the sound of past and future racing side by side. In contrast, in hybrid mode, the SF90 is calm, efficient, and almost serene until you press the accelerator, and the beast awakens instantly. This dual personality makes the SF90 not just a track monster, but also a surprisingly practical everyday supercar, capable of gliding silently through your neighborhood before transforming into a missile on the open road. The SF90 Stradale is more than just a supercar, it's a statement. It's Ferrari saying that embracing electrification doesn't mean sacrificing passion, soul, or performance. In fact, it proves that the future of driving can be even more thrilling. This is a car that bridges generations, appealing to purists who worship the roar of a combustion engine, and to visionaries who see the potential in electric power. Of course, such an extraordinary machine comes with a price tag worthy of its capabilities, starting well above $500,000 depending on options. But for those who can afford it, the SF90 offers an experience unlike any other, a blend of heritage and innovation that only Ferrari could create. In the world of supercars, the SF90 Stradale stands at the cutting edge, a perfect balance of art and science, tradition and progress. It doesn't just predict the future, it shapes it. And whether you see it gliding silently down the street or hear it thundering down a racetrack, one thing is certain: the Ferrari SF90 Stradale will leave an impression you won't forget. Here at Autocar, we celebrate machines like the SF90 because they remind us why we fell in love with cars in the first place: for the emotion, the innovation, and the sheer thrill of driving. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale is more than a car. It's a masterpiece, a milestone, and a glimpse into what's next.